Welcome back, class ninth students. We have given you some questions. I hope you all are ready. Now to check, your test time is over. Now you have to check your answers, okay? And here we are. I have given you one letter. So please match. Answers are here. Question was given to you. You were going to a film show on evening when a group of four men kidnapped you. After 3 days, you were rescued by police. Write a letter to your sister who is away at school in Shimla, telling her about your ordeal. Ordeal, I told you that it is a painful experience or in which you are feeling horror or some fear. So that experience is called a painful experience. Got it? As in the format I told you, first of all, I have made it like this: F plus C plus E. You can also make like this: F plus C plus E. F stand for format, C stand for content, and E stand for expression. Maximum marks for format is 2.5. Easy to score. If you have, I'll tell you how. First of all, you check format. You see this red cross. Your address should be proper. So I told you any address you can write. First of all, your house number, then your block, and then your city. Like this, you can write, and pin code if you know. Well and good. Otherwise, pin code is not compulsory. So like this, we have completed address. That is red cross. You can see here. This carry half mark. If your address is correct, give half tick or put half mark. Then date should be full. It is written 5th November 2020. Not only 20, it should be full 2020. Got it? 2020. This has been taken from books. I have not written in this, but you have to write complete year should be written, then only half mark for date. Then dear Rima. Okay? Should be dear Rima. It is salutation as was discussed. Then coming in the end, yours affectionately. Pay attention, dear students. This should be yours affectionately, comma should be there. All this is must, okay? Then only short name, because it is personal letter, then only short name Atul. Got it? Like this, you have to give. If your this 5 points are correct, then only F format, 2.5 marks are full. Content marks, they are saying four men. There were four men. Then kidnapping case should be there. And then I have underlined how you were rescued, then what painful experience it was for you. Like this, it is divided into 5 parts. You have to explain how who were those men who kidnapped you. If you have some knowledge, their appearance, then how you they kidnapped you, what were the conditions they have given you, then what are the conditions your father faced and how you rescued, what are the police action in that. All this you have to mention, then only 5 points if you're mentioning. You will get C, that is content 2.5 mark. You see in this model letter I'm reading for you. You will be shocked to know about the bad experience I had last week. Last Saturday, I was going for a film show with my friend. Suddenly, four young men, Ranjan, a local merchant, four young men, including Ranjan, a local merchant, came toward us and told me that our uncle John had met with an accident. So, like this condition has been created by the kidnapper, a plan has been created by the kidnapper that can put good emotions in the writing. Being anxious, I went with them, but they took me to a shady lodge, comma, overpowered me and forcibly gave me an injection. What followed after that was more of a nightmare than what I could narrate. Paragraph change. I come to know later that kidnappers had asked Dad to come at Durga temple. Condition started of the kidnapping incident. Durga temple on the outskirts of the town at midnight. Outskirt of the town, comma, at midnight with a ransom of 4 lakh rupees. It has been mentioned. Ransom has been mentioned. So if you have written like this, you can give. You can also underline your points and you can show half tick if you want. Otherwise, put half of marks. Like this, what kind of men they were, what was their plan, and how much ransom they have asked. Then, how father managed to save you. Dad, however, informed the police and went to the temple at midnight with cash. The police had laid a trap. See, the police had laid a trap, comma, having hidden themselves under the cover of darkness. They caught the miscreants after some struggle. So, if you have also created such language, you can give full 2.5 marks. If you have not created, then you will not get. According to points, you will get. Okay. I was surprised and at the same time overjoyed to see the police van and an ambulance arriving at Maria Lodge. When I saw that, I screamed with joy. I took a breath of relief when I was rescued and kidnappers were handcuffed. It was, indeed, a day of deliverance for me! Exclamation sign. Do not panic, semicolon. I'm fine, full stop. We are looking forward to seeing you at your home during summer vacations. Kindly give my regards to your principal. Yours affectionately, Atul. So, like this, if you have written, dear students, your content and your way of writing. Your way of writing is called expression. In what way you are arranging, you are not making tenses error, you are not making punctuation error, you are not making agreement error. So, all the grammar you are keeping well, and your sentences are sensible, giving full meaning. Then, if you have written like this, you can give expression maximum 4 marks. Otherwise, you have to give expression marks is very hard to get. You will not get any, nobody will of you get. If you get, please, you have to inform me in comments and you have to write in comments full letter if you are getting 9 marks. Otherwise, most of you will get in expression 1 mark, 2 mark, maximum 3 marks. Okay, what I feel. Still, when I will meet, I have to see this test and then I will reevaluate that. Okay, by the time, come on, next question. Question next. You see notices here. I have given you notice. First of all, there should be catchy caption or main heading. Give till it hurts. Then subheading. Charity drive for the unprivileged children of our locality. As it is taken from the question, I have informed you how to take. Date is given there. Friday, 3rd August 2018. You have to write present date. I told you it should be supposed today. If it is 25th May, then you can give 3rd June. Okay, 3rd June 2020, like this. Timing can be 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Venue the assembly area SJM J Hall School. Then assembly area is given, then school. All the students from class 5th to 10 are kindly contribute and make a charity drive a success. Use textbook, unused notebooks, stationery, blazers, sweaters, or shoes that are in good condition may be handed over to your class perfect class monitor. Be generous as possible. Give till it hurts. So, like this, if you have written, you can give 5 marks. There are main heading and subheading 1 mark. Date, time, venue, small venue, big venue, and then the person to whom we have to take names and to whom we have to submit. Class perfect is here to submit. So, like this, it carry half of points, and like this, there are 8 half points and 2 main points, total 10. So total 8 means 4 marks and 2 means 1. Sorry, there will be six small points, like this: date 1, then there will be time 1, 2, then venue. Now, coming on email, write an email to the principal of neighboring school requesting him or her to allow the students of his or her school to participate in the event. Like this, we have given you. So, first of all, 2ID subject should be their invitation to participate in the charity drive. Give it till it hurts. Dear Sir, I am Prabha Mukund, Secretary of the Students of Council SJM School. We are hosting a charity drive called Give It Till It Hurts on Friday, 3rd August 2018 for the underprivileged children of our locality. This will be conducted from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. at assembly area in the main building of the school. You see how details have been mentioned. Then again, paragraph change. We request you to motivate the students of your school to donate their used textbook, unused notebooks, stationery, blazers, sweaters, or shoes that are in good condition. So, like this, you have to write. Then, participation from your school will make a huge impact on our student community. Please help us make a difference. Anticipating a positive response from you in an accepting our invitation. In accepting our invitation, yours faithfully, Prabha Mukund, Secretary, council of the student council. So if you have written there are 10 sub points which carry 5 marks, I repeat here 10 sub points. Let me count. Number 1, is id. Number 2 is subject. Number 3 salutation. Number 4 beginning sentence. Then number 5, if you have written the details of the notice properly, that is date, proper date you have written, proper time you have mentioned, from which time, then where it will take place, venue, both venue you have to mention, like this. 1, 2, 3. Third, I told you beginning sentence. Fourth, I told you date. Fifth, I told you time. Sixth, I told you small venue. Then fifth, I told you small venue. Then sixth, I told you big venue. Like this. Then continuing, I repeat here. First, I told you ID. Second, I told you subject. Third, salutation. Fourth, beginning sentence. Fifth is date. Sixth is time. Seventh is small venue. And eighth is big venue. Then ninth is ending sentence. What is ending sentence here? This is ending sentence. Anticipating positive response from you in accepting our invitation. Then last, yours faithfully. YOURS salutation. Name is not carrying mark, but still we have to complete. This full is of half mark. Which full? This full, if you are writing correctly, then only it is of half mark. Got it? Like this. So if you have written like this, then it is well and good. Otherwise, your marks will be deducted. So like this, 20 marks are over. Now coming on whole day homework. Now, see class 9th. Your whole day homework is half yearly examination is write on A4 size both sided paper line pages. Students are requested to write. What you will write? 8 essays or composition. Essay writing you have learned in 8th class also. Try to write whatever you can on A4 size. If you are writing, it is well and good. Otherwise, if you have notebook, you can write in notebook also. Okay. So mark will not be cut if you are writing in notebook also, no matter. But try to write. If you have A4 size, it is well and good. We can submit your projects like. So it is well and good. Okay. 8 essays or composition, 8 letters, either formal or friendly. Then 8 letters, either formal or friendly. Then 8 notices and 8 emails. Okay. That is from practice paper 1 to practice paper 8 in your new books. What new books you got? Total English. From those book you have to do it from your new Total English book of Morning Star publication. Okay. So all have got, I hope so. New books. Please do from new books only. If you will do from old books, question will be changed, and I will not check if you will do from old book. I'll check new questions because new questions are important for board exams. In your board exams, question will be selected from new books. So please do from new books. Okay. Like this, your whole day homework is over. Take care. Goodbye.